my friend, good morning. 各位朋友早晨 How are you this morning? 今早好嗎 So let's check the time. The time in Hong Kong is 15 minutes to 2 o'clock. 香港時間係凌晨1時45分。Okay, so let's check the day of Hong Kong. I stand up a bit and look at the numbers. Okay, so the day in Hong Kong is Monday, 19 May, all right, 2025. And also the numbers are for the last week's numbers, okay, the debtors, Friday, Thursday, and you see the Dow Jones, well, a nice gain on Friday, 331 points, and Hang Seng 2 days in a row is a little bit, 回吐啊 okay? So after all, it's up and down, okay? And then we see the European market here. You can see the 2 days together. Fuji is better. And Germany, well, not so nice. Well, the French is little movement. And the Dow Jones has said it's a nice day after losing of 90 points. Okay, so let's continue to the updates of Asian market. The Asian market, the Thursday and Friday, Shanghai Composite is minus 23, minus 13, and the Taiwan is what? Minus 52, but plus 113. So as the Japan, Hong Kong, Hang Seng has set a plus 167 and minus, but no, both days are minus, I'm sorry. Both days are minus, and the Fuji is very tricky. After a day of losing, we cover only 1.8. All right, so this is the numbers for the past week. So let's all see how this week is coming along, okay? 呢啲全部都係上個星期嘅數字，咁我哋睇下新嘅一個星期，新嘅開始 ，OK？ So the 2 days together, Fuji is 1.1 plus, and Germany is minus 1.6, and French is a very small movement, 0.1, and Dow Jones has set a nice day after 100 points loss. So, all right, and then the Hong Kong future, 2 days together, lost 1.1, and for 2 days average, for the tech giants, it's loss of 2.2. All right, so after finishing all this last week's data, we go back to the T-square. The T-square, first thing, is the side talk, right? All right, so let's see the side talk. So let's lower my glass and I read it. Stakeholders are each holding call to their breath. No one would predict Russia and Ukraine reaching a fast-track peace conclusion in the Turkey's talk. 嗱，大家都知道咧喺 Turkey 嘅俄羅斯同埋 Ukraine 嘅 warfare 嘅停火嘅商談咧係相當係點講啊？係令人矚目嘅，但係可惜咧就係雷聲大雨點少啦，即係話個聲勢就好啦，但係得到個 conclusion 咧就似乎係冇咁令人滿意喎 ，OK？ 咁因為個情況就係話 Zelensky 就有講，佢話呢個土耳其嘅會談似乎係裝飾啊 ，decorative 裝飾呢個相當係一個貼切嘅描述佢講得係啱嘅，係一個 right 嘅 description。但係似乎就唔係一個合適嘅 description， 係咪啊？咁有啲乜嘢stories咧？咁嗱，我哋先睇下 Smart Donald Trump 咧 had been too engaged in Gulf States leader stories。因為近來咧 ，Donald Trump 係好忙於佢喺海灣區周旋喺 Syria、Iran 啊，同埋幾個阿聯酋啊幾個龍頭嘅國家喺佢哋之間劃船。咁究竟佢有啲咩工作要做咧？嗱，呢個就係話佢嘅工作就係關於Oasis 同埋 Paradise 嘅故事啦。咁所有嘅嘢都係沿住一個字，就係 crude oil。crude oil 係 hold 呢個 key 喺最新四國聯盟嘅關係。個 working relationship， 咁最新嘅四國聯盟，四國嘅連線可以講叫連線就係 Gulf 海灣區、太平洋區，包括美國 East 東面，包括中國 Russia， 中國嘅 further go 係 Russia。咁你睇下，呢個係一個好登對嘅四個國家嘅對於有嘅一線嘅 process marketing 同埋個 eventual use of the fund 都係對於整個世界嘅和平係好大嘅關係，整個世界嘅發展好大嘅關係。因為 Donald Trump 嘅 story 就係第一個就係保護費，新先進嘅軍事設備賣俾海灣區，即係話你哋係要幫手去負責一部分你哋自己安全嘅費用。另外一個就係進入 AI technology 一個許願費，呢個許願費係保證你將來喺 AI technology 裏邊唔會落後俾其他嘅國家。咁呢個係許願費。咁仲有一個咩費咧？遲下有機會講。咁呢兩個費用先行 ，OK？ 咁直至呢一個大富翁遊戲 Monopoly 嘅遊戲係到達一個平衡點嘅時候，前路都係仍然比較 slippery 同埋比較 rocky 嘅，係咪啊？因為唔係話三兩日就將整個 complex 嘅 a basket of complex issue 可以得到一個全面嘅解釋。嗱，首先我哋要睇下伊朗，伊朗係好熱衷和平嘅，佢希望保留部分佢認為係對佢國家嘅安全嘅嘢。除此之外，佢係 giving up 一啲嘢去換取大家對佢嘅信任。OK， 咁第二個 Syria 就已經係搞掂咗啦。咁剩低個阿聯酋亦都係好大手筆咁一個巨額嘅投資喺阿 Trump 嘅身上，包括係好多嘅 co-op 嘅協議，好多大家將來合作嘅機會。所以喺呢個時候 Donald Trump 係好忙碌嘅。咁如果佢冇現場喺 Turkey 現身嘅話，咁比較係冷落啦。咁最佳就係當佢現場現身，就係俄羅斯嘅 Putin 普京能夠一齊大家作一個面對面嘅好友好式嘅和談，咁呢個世界就將會成為一個係希望嘅世界啦。 咁嗰陣時呢個 horizon 啊，仲會唔會有烏雲密佈咧 ？OK， 呢個 horizon 會唔會成為晴天咧？因為呢個就係影響 inflation 同埋 high bank fund rate 嘅，都係由於油嘅波動嘅移動。OK， 咁而家我哋再睇下呢個星期嘅發展啦。Side talk number 2， The 90 days tariff war break plus positive news about China's undisrupted functioning of global supply production chain。嗱，呢個就係話90日嘅關稅叫停啊，咁係唞一啖氣啊，大家有個機會去有個 break。咁中國仲有好多正面嘅消息係流傳緊嘅，呢啲消息係包括咩咧？就包括佢嘅全球嘅供應鏈係嘅運作係冇受到影響啊，即如佢嘅container 嘅 bookings 咧，貨櫃船嘅出口嘅噸位個 quota 都係收到，同埋佢自己港口，同埋一啲係佢 shadow port， 即係話當地嘅工業、當地嘅出口，亦都係無分你我運送嘅係中國有份參與嘅出口嘅，係咪啊？咁呢啲所有呢啲港口都有一個成300% 嘅 surge 3倍嘅預訂嘅倉位去美國太平洋口岸嘅 ，OK？ 咁呢啲 exporting product of China 嘅咧係有唔同嘅帽子，因為呢啲帽子係已經表示出係 China made， 亦都係表示出 China 嘅 investment made， 亦都係表示出 China 嘅 alliance 嘅 made 嘅，係咪？好啦，再表現出令人相當係輕鬆嘅，可以講就係越南嘅 Prime Minister 同埋泰國嘅 Khandapa 兩位戴咗一個差唔多雷同嘅帽子，咁呢個而且佢哋 all together 就 announce 就宣佈佢哋已經 upgrade 佢哋嘅全面性嘅戰略性嘅 partnership。喺呢2日河內嘅訪問就係泰國嚟到河內大家交換帽子 ，OK？ 嗱 ，EU had sounded alarm bell。對 EU 嚟講，佢期待嘅就係一啲價錢比較廉宜嘅製品嘅 replenishment， 唔使令到佢嘅inflation rate 或者佢個 front rate 能夠保持一個好 low key。咁但係如果呢個製品佢個 replenishment 係有競爭者嘅話咧，咁嘅時候佢就好可能又要重複同中國改善一個更加美好嘅聯繫，係咪啊 ？OK， 咁after 呢個 side talk 1 and 2，we move to breaking news。嗱 ，breaking news 咧 ，we have here 嗱 ，Iran 個 supreme leader 咧，大家都知道佢哋係邊位㗎啦，係Ali Khamenei 佢好聰明，佢懷疑緊究竟而家喺 Gulf 去做緊和平使者，追求做和平使者嘅係個 identity 係邊個人， 邊方面嘅人咧，佢係好有思維嗱。一方面你就會繼續睇到，而家繼續嘅bombing就係喺加沙，而 Children 最近嘅 news 亦都係有傷亡達到130個，而呢啲地方受到襲擊嘅，包括學校，包括 hospital， 包括所謂一啲可以匿藏嘅地方。即如係咁講嘅 ，OK， 咁究竟呢個戰士，呢個和平嘅追求者係咪真有其人？係邊位咧？嗱，咁我哋就留待呢個答案，等聰明嘅精神領袖或者回味一下 ，OK。對於 Iran 本身，佢追求嘅和平。係比較佢只需要滿足佢自己嘅保護，其餘佢都可以 give some and take some， 係咪啊 ？OK，Gulf region 咧，佢哋嘅 world 咧 in arm buying set as protections requiring。嗱，而家就係點講啊 ？Trump 就講啦。海灣區嘅區域係時候佢要出一啲錢去為佢自己嘅安全而去買一啲最先進嘅軍事設備。嗱，咁呢個就係 top salesman one of 個 merchandising 佢係 push 嘅喺海灣區。咁另外佢亦都講。AI chips 佢哋需要投資喺美國指派指定嘅生產線 ，OK， 而達成呢啲投資之後，就係俾佢哋通行證進入一個 AI technology 嘅年代，同埋列強一齊平起平坐，咁呢個亦都係一個相當令人羨慕嘅遠景，係咪？咁呢個就係 top salesman 佢做嘅第二件嘢。OK， 咁仲有就係最後亦都可以講，如果要完成達到一個令到佢哋嘅財富係轉化成為一個有效率、一個有實際作為嘅投資，即如係 casino 啦，喺海市蜃樓嘅 Oasis 嘅 Paradise， 咁呢個願景亦都係需要出錢嘅。咁阿聯酋亦都同阿 Trump 嘅代表團簽署咗一籃子嘅 co-op 發展 investment 投資嘅合作協議，所以喺咁忙嘅時候，對於 Turkey 嘅會議係有些少冷落，亦都令到 Zelensky 好唔滿意嘅地方，係咪？ Alright， 咁跟住就 on the night Moscow Victory Day Ceremony。嗱，而家呢個咧就係講翻喺9號 May 9號 President Xi Jinping 咧就係佢係 heading 個代表團去 initiate 一個成為一個主禮嘅嘉賓 ，initiate 整個嘅 process 進入會場，同普京平起平坐喺側邊，大家互相smiling faces， 和藹可親嘅笑容，係咪？呢個喺同一個時候有一個 sideline 嘅 handshake 咧， 係冇乜有人注意到嘅。咁呢個沙拉嘅握手就係同緬甸 Myanmar 嘅軍人統治者呢位就係 Mi Aung Hlaing， 呢個係緬甸軍人統治者。咁點解我哋嘅主席會同佢揸手咧？根據 China 嘅 State Media 就係話，我哋 General Secretary 習近平係表達出喺揸手嘅時候，表達出佢對於緬甸、對於 Myanmar 而家嘅現行所做嘅作為，嘅支持個邊境個和平，去支持個中國嘅投資嘅運作，同埋有好多仲係喺 bordering zone 嘅中國市民係喺嗰度投身各種唔同嘅行業嘅。嗱，呢個係現實，呢個 reality 已經存在咗差唔多有10年嘅現實。咁而只不過呢個現實係得到我哋主席嘅一個好關切嘅 concern， 希望亦都改變呢個現實，成為一個更加和平、更加融洽嘅商業運作。呢個就係佢同呢位軍人統治者嘅 handshake 嘅初心，亦都可以講係佢嘅關心。OK， 咁跟住就我哋啦。China and USA 呢個我哋講咗冇啊？呢個我哋讀一讀啦嚇。Comrade Xi Jinping 咧就 having demonstrate care and concern 就係話習近平同志咧就係表達出佢嘅關心，同埋佢對於個 well-being 中國嘅市民、中國嘅公民嘅幸福喺當地穿梭喺當地嘅商業運作裏邊，仍然係點講啊？堅守佢嘅崗位，堅守佢要做嘅嘢咁呢個係加以特別嘅慰問嘅。OK， 咁而家呢我哋繼續啦。呢個 China 同埋美國係 settle 咗一個90日嘅 day break，90 day 嘅 break。咁我哋 China 嘅 Premier 李強有啲咩意見咧？咁我哋而家睇下啦。Premier Li urge stronger link with other international market。喺呢個機會 Premier Li 係鼓吹一個更加 stronger 穩固同埋多方面喺國際市場上嘅聯繫，不得冇 slow down， 反為係要加一把勁。At the same time， 喺同一個時間 consolidating 就係堅穩同埋 enhancing 同埋去優化 stronger domestic market， 令到國內嘅市場更加穩固，同埋 fresh pushes 加一啲新鮮嘅 stimulus 嘅推動。OK，in adhering 呢個就係去遵照 Presidency 嘅 standing directive， 不嬲都有存在嘅指示，就係個指示就係話個 funds 錢個 liquidation 個 capital 個 movement 嘅準備係要好，要開放私人企業，要開放 entrepreneur，一定要有足夠嘅 capital。喺銀超時咧就已經有7個國家唔同嘅機構一齊係簽署發出一個叫做 Plan of Support， 就係支持呢個整個嘅 road mapping of 車民士嘅。咁呢個咧就包括有人民銀行啦，亦都有Ministry of Science Technology 同埋高科技嘅發展嘅樞紐嘅機關。OK， 咁呢個我哋亦都睇到 China is doing what he thinks and actually is the best for the interests of China and for her people， right？ 係咪啊？呢個我哋大家都可以 sense 到噶啦。咁而家咧，我哋由呢度咧就 move 去 classroom 啦。classroom 呢度咧，我哋就要講一講。嗱 classroom 呢度咧，你會睇到我哋咧係有 team A，yes，team B，no， 兩排係列晒出嚟個 argument point。其中一啲 argument point 咧就係大家都 identical 嘅，大家都係按一個 core 嘅 core 個 argument 嘅思路嘅。咁但係有一啲咧，尤其是喺 B 咧，就加進咗一啲係比較 A 係冇提出嘅嘢。OK， 咁既然間佢加進呢啲嘢，咁喺我哋debate 嘅立場嚟講咧，就最主要就係 relevant 係咪有關聯嘅？如果加進嘅嘢係對於嗰個 core 係有關聯嘅，歡迎啦。但係如果佢係冇關聯嘅話，咁就似乎係令到個 process 咧係延慢咗，甚至乎咧係有啲反嘅效果，係咪啊？咁我哋不嬲都係開放天空，既然間有咗呢啲事發生，我哋要做嘅嘢就係睇下開放咗嘅嘢，我哋選擇 relevant 嘅嘢，加以去 modify 咗之後，就 A、B 互相可以跟住我哋一個最新嘅 modify 之後嘅版本去再行 debate。咁呢個再行 debate 咧，為咗係節省時間，我哋咧就將會由 classroom 俾一個叫做 commentary 嘅一個係陳述性，同埋一個可以係俾 score 嘅 explanation， 好嘛？咁呢個咧，我哋咧就會喺下一個禮拜就會 put it on here。OK，after 呢個咧，咁我哋就 move on to the next time we meet again should be Wednesday 21st。下次相見嘅日子咧，就將會係星期3 21號 May。So my friend, goodbye， 朋友再見。Have a nice week to begin with.